What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python on Cursor. So once you're inside Cursor guys, all you have to do is click the apps on the upper left hand side and you will find, if you're not able to see this sidebar here, you want to look to the upper right hand side, and here you have the different bars. You have the sidebar, you have the bottom bar, and you have the right bar, right? So left and right bars, you can add each of them, or if they're missing you can just simply click on that to show it. Now, if you're able to see it, you can just simply click on the apps from here. Otherwise, if you're not able to see it or the bar is closed, that's no problem. You can go to files as well and go down to preferences and you can easily find extensions. It's going to quickly open up the bar for you and you'll be able to see apps. Now here you have three sections. You have install apps and it shows how many apps you have installed, popular apps and recommended apps right here. So there's nothing recommended at the moment, but if you want to install Python, just go under the popular apps and you will find a ton of different apps that you can install. Right, Python should be in the list and you can just simply click on install. As you can see towards the right, it says install. Click on that and it's going to go ahead and pop up and it says that trusted. It says trust publisher. It said trust publisher and install. Go ahead and choose that and you'll be able to quickly install Python on your computer. And here you can see that it's installed Python, and you can see that it's currently installed as well, because at the top it shows that you can disable it and it shows that you can uninstall it, right? And you also have more options and so forth. It's also set to auto update. And that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and install Python on, and that's how you go ahead and install Python on Cursor AI. Now, if I minimize these sections here, install apps, you can see that it now shows that there are 3 install apps. And if I expand it, it installed the full Python. So it's installed Python here, Python debugger, and it also installed the AnySphere. So AnySphere here, you also have the MS Python here. It shows that you have all 3 versions there of the Python installed. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.